Hi, my name is Smail Ryan Jordan. I come from Morocco and I play as a right winger. I am 16 years old and I play at a club called Jinga in Casablanca. In SIA, my goal is to improve on my position and to experience a different experience from Morocco and go to Spain and explore what they study here. I chose SIA because it was a pretty big academy and it was very popular, especially in Valencia. And we needed to go to vacation and I decided to play football and come to SIA Academy to improve and to also have fun at the same time. So in SIA Academy, I trained about 1 week now. And at the beginning, I wasn't very good and used to all the different types of players, but I quickly got used to it and everyone was very nice and I made many friends and I was able to improve a lot in my position because they really focused on the different players and they helped me improve in general.